how to fix Instagram not sending SMS code. So if you wanna fix this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. Or what you wanna do, guys, is very simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager like this. Open the apps and now go to the Instagram app and click on it. If you didn't find it, you can just use the search bar right here in the top and search for Instagram. Click on it, click on this option right here as you can see, and after you click on it, it will stop running the app in the background of your phone. After that, you have to click on the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the phone permission, and that's it. Go back, click on the data usage right here as you can see. Make sure also to enable all those options as you can see. So, and after that, go back and do the last thing, which is open the power usage details. Make sure that the power consumption is enabled, and if it is, disable it and enable it again. And last thing you want to do now is restart your phone and reopen Instagram. If the problem is not fixed yet, then you have to uninstall your Instagram from your phone and then reinstall it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.